Welcome back everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make this cute little bear. So to do this, just like with all the other ones, you need a square. Now we have our square. You're going to turn your square sideways so it's on its corner. And you're going to fold along this line here. Bring the top edge down to the bottom corner and go ahead and make those crease line nice and strong. Now you're going to fold along this line here. Open it back up. Now you're going to fold a little bit right here, just so that the corner overlaps the middle line just by about an inch. Go ahead and crease it, and you're going to do the same thing with the other side. Try to make it so that the part that overlaps the center line is about the same side on both sides. Now you're going to flap this back out. This is going to be the bear's ear. You're going to do the same thing with the other side. Now to make those ears a little bit more rounded, you're going to fold back just the tip of each side now. When you flip your bear over, now you've got two rounded ears. You're going to fold the one layer up along this line here. And then you're going to take this top edge and you're going to fold it down just a little bit. This will make the muzzle for the bear. Now you may need to make the bottom edge rounded too, so I'm going to flip it back over again so I can fold that side up. Flip it back over, and now I'm going to grab a marker and draw a face. Now you'll notice the bear's head is really square shaped. I forgot a step. You're going to flip it back over again, and you're going to take these little corners and you're just going to bend them down just a tiny bit. So now when you flip him back over again, his head is rounded again. Thanks for joining me, everyone.